Hello! In this video I'm going to talk about how to complete the Design and Software Skills 3.1 Illustrator Typography tool. So in this exercise you're going to blend software skills for using type and develop your ability to choose and combine fonts. You're going to be completing the one quote that they have in here. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's own courage. And then you're also going to use your own quote, and you can change it however you want. So I'm going to start now with a new document. And I want this to be 8.5 by 11 inches, which is letter size. Click OK. I'm going to click on the text tool. Click on the text tool here. Just type in life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. All right, so I have the quote here. Now I'm going to want to modify that a little bit. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to hit Control plus to zoom in. And this I right here, I want to change the character. So I'm going to go to Type. And I want to change it to the I with 2 dots above it. Which is kind of down here for the I with 2 dots. There it is. Double click on that and you'll notice that will change. Alright, so I got that done. Next I want to change the color of everything. So I can select this and you notice over here I already have my swatches tools open. If that wasn't open, I can go down here to swatches and notice swatches is not open. If your swatches isn't open, you just go to Window, Swatches. Open that up. Want this to be orange, and then this we want to be blue. Alright, so I've done that. The next step is I need to make sure that I change the font of this. So I'm going to select everything. The font is right there. I want this to be Rockwell, and I want it to be 18-point font. So 18. Now this is kind of going a little bit big, so I actually am going to right here hit enter, so it kind of looks like that. That looks good. I want this to be italicized, so I'll select that. Under regular right there I can go to italics, and alright, we're looking good so far. Now I kind of want to double this up and kind of put blue over the whole thing. So in order to do that, you just take it. I'm going to go to edit, copy, edit, paste. Now that I've pasted this, click on the text tool. I'm just going to select the whole thing, change it to maybe a dark blue right here. Maybe I kind of want to use like a darker blue like there. And now I can use the arrow keys and just kind of move it up and down. So let me zoom in a little bit more here to get this so that it looks alright. That looks actually pretty good to me. That's about right where I want it. Now so now that I've gotten that done, we're good. So now you might actually want to move it. Let me zoom in just a touch over. There we go. I kind of like that. I kind of like that look better. So once you've completed this, you want to do your own quote too. So for your own quote, you can find anything you want on the internet. Type that out, and just take a look at the instructions. I want you to you can use the same quote if you want, or you can use a different quote, but you want to kind of just change the look of the quote so it's either vertical or using different colors. The key is you want to change the color, the font, and the size of the font. And you can also change the direction of the font. If I wanted, I could actually change this and have it go kind of rotate around if I wanted. So, oops, let me actually select both of them there, kind of rotate them around now, and there we go. So, it's kind of up to you, but this is how to do the first quote. The second quote, totally up to you. You can either use this one or another one, and then your own style. All right.